Alright guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sam. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video if you find it very educative. So I want to show you guys how to link your YouTube channel to LBRY so that you can post and share at the two platforms at the same time. On the two platforms, alright. Just in case you don't know what LBRY is, you will see it popping at the top of this screen or of this video, or you check the description so you can see the link on what LBRY is. So straight up, I want to link my YouTube to LBRY. So first thing you need to do is to claim your channel, and then you type in any desired name. So I'm going to pick kzjo Sammy. I would have picked my regular name samsticks, but I have already done that. And you might be wondering, why samsticks? Why samsticks? I always wanted to be a good drummer, or maybe one of the best drummers, but down the line, crypto came in. But I still love music though. So kzjo Sammy, claim, and once that happens, once you click this, it's going to prompt up Google, and then you have to choose the email you want to use. So all right, so just quickly fix in the email you want to use, click next, then allow LBRY to connect, and you're good to go. Once that is done, you get a confirmation page that hey, you've actually linked up your channel. After linking up, LBRY is going to tell you it's going to send you an email. You get a confirmation email, and also you will get that this signal that said almost done. Confirm your channel, agree to sync. We've already done that. That's what we clicked right here, and it will tell you that you're on the queue to get confirmed with the number of subscribers you have on your YouTube channel, the number of videos you have, and your expected monthly rewards. Just in case, this is the LBRY coin, and we've already confirmed as said before. So the last step is actually to claim a channel, which I've already taught you guys how to do in the other video. But just in case you've not done that, please make sure you click the sign in to LBRY if you already have an account, or create an account to sign in. While trying to claim your account, you'll be required to pay 0.01 LBRY coin. You don't need to buy that, and if you want to buy, it's super easy to buy. It's super easy to buy. As you can see, the coin is listed on CoinMarketCap already, and has gotten to a little above $1 previously. Right. So back to what we're doing. All right. So once you start claiming your channel, this is what it will look like. Channel has been created. So let's see how to create a new channel. All you need to do is type. I told you I've already done it, so you can type kzjo Sammy, whatever username you want to use, kzjo Sammy, and then you click pay. But I don't want to do that right now. So thanks. And then you pay. Now, just in case you don't have any coin, like I said, you can buy it, or simply just like one or two videos or watch one or two videos, you'll be able to get some coins. And once you do that, it will show pending. And once that is confirmed, your channel will be linked, and you'll get an email. So that's it, guys. That's how to link your LBRY to your YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Please, please, please. And like the video. Like it. Like it. See ya.